Hey guys, Brian here with another new Sunvox tutorial. Today I thought we might dip our toes ever so slightly into the world of Pixelang and see how, when it's used with Sunvox, how to create cool music demos. And we're going to do that by taking an existing demo, studying the code a bit, and then hacking it to play back our own Sunvox file. And hopefully that will give you the inspiration to create your own visualizations, and at least give you a starting point so you can start making your own. So what is Pixelang? Well, according to the homepage, Pixelang is a pixel-oriented programming language for small graphics / sound applications and experiments. In other words, it can be used to create cool animated pictures. And with Sunvox, it can be used to create cool music demos. For instance, here's a video by Night Radio for the Color Dreams track on the Soul Resonance album. And if you haven't seen this track, drop everything except some things and check out this video. And in it, you'll see all the modules glistening and dancing as the music plays back. And if you're like me, you probably wondered, wow, that is so cool, how do I make my own? Well, you can actually download the Soul Resonance album as a binary with playback controls to see how it's made. It includes both the Sunvox files for studying the audio and the Pixelang sources for studying the visual effects. And so I've already gone ahead and downloaded it and unzipped it, and you can see there are various Start Linux files, Start OS X, Start Windows, one for each supported operating system. And if we run those files, it'll launch the demo immediately and start playing back the music. I press space there to pause it, and you can see the interface allows you ways to navigate, change the volume, and do all sorts of things. Let's take a look at the directory structure a bit. You can see at the root directory there's a boot.pixie file. This file is loaded initially, and it controls displaying the song title, listening to key events for navigating the songs in the album, and it also includes other Pixie files to load their code. The Sunvox Pixie code under the data directory, it defines a bunch of functions provided by the Sunvox libraries to load your song and play it back. The Sunvox visual Pixelang file controls those visual effects of showing the halos for each module and connecting them with dots. You can also see under the music directory that is where all the Sunvox files are read from. And there are other things for starting for every single operating system. So let's take a look at the boot Pixie effect, which we said manages the playback of the tracks on the album. If we look at the top, we can see it immediately starts by creating a new playlist container and then populates that container with the tracks from the music library. So we can simply take our own test file, our own music Sunvox file, and put it in the data music directory and replace the playlist line here with our own. I called it test, and if we go back and start our demo, we can see that it plays back our own file rather than Color Dreams. Here you can see the title no longer says Color Dreams, but says My Song Won April 2013. That sounds like a winner already. And it still says Night Radio and Soul Resonance in the bottom left corner. However, we did get it to play back our own song. And so here's some homework for you if you'd like to try it out. Study and figure out where this song title comes from and make it so it displays the proper title. Also, of course, change Night Radio and Soul Resonance to something that matches your own. And then try making it so that when the demo loads up, it offers a way to choose what Sunvox file to load using a file picker. And I'll give you a hint. If you go into the Pixelang manual, look up the file dialog function, study its parameters, and use that to load any file, any Sunvox file, into the visualization demo. So that wraps up this video pretty much. I hope this provides you a way to get started into creating your own visualizations. But don't just take this video, don't just take this existing demo, copy it and put it up on YouTube, because that would be stealing Night Radio's work, and that wouldn't be cool. So use this as a way to start and create your own visualizations, and when you're ready, let's see what you got. Alright, I hope this helps you. See you later.